Description: this luxuriously light oil absorbs instantly to restore hair to its prime. Deeply conditions, strengthens and smooths, imparting nourishment and shine. Benefits: luxurious, lightweight oil. Nourishes and strengthens. Smooths and adds shine. UV and thermal protection. Suggested use: apply pre-shampoo as a treatment, before blow-drying for heat protection, on dry hair for luster and frizz control. Top reviews from the United States. How little you have to use. I recently got lots of highlights and my hair was looking dry. A friend who dyes her hair blonde looked so smooth. She told me about this product. I love it. My hair looks smooth when I dry it. Bought shampoo and conditioner too.